In a given diagram, if angle x and y are in the ratio of 7:8 and this angle is given right angle, then find the angle z. See student, these angles x, y and this right angle are on the straight line, so the sum will be 180 degree. X plus y is 90 degree and the ratio is 7:8, so we can find out easily individually. X is equal to this ratio given upon total sum 7 plus 8 15 into actual sum 90 degree. X is equal to 42 degree. In the similar way, let us find out y. The ratio, this is 8 upon sum 7 plus 8 15 into actual sum is 90 degree. Y is equal to 48 degree. Now focus on the diagram student. Y and Z are on the straight line. The sum will be 180 degree. Z is equal to 132 degree. This is our answer. So once again you can see at a glance these angles we calculated with the help of this ratio sum and this sum. Then these y and z are on straight line, so sum is 180, so z is equal to 132 degree. In a diagram, if lines L and M are parallel to each other and OA and OB are angle bisectors, then find the angle AOB. Focus on the diagram students. OA and OB are angle bisectors, so it means these two angles are equal. So let us suppose that each is x, and the similar way OB is also angle bisector, so let us suppose each is y. L and M are parallel, therefore these two angles sum will be 180, sum of the co-interior opposite angles. Lines L and M are parallel to each other, so the sum of the co-interior opposite angle A plus B is equal to 180. A means x plus x 2x, B means y plus y 2y. So 2 will be here, x plus y is equal to 180 upon 2. So x plus y is 90 degree. Now in triangle AOB, see angle x plus angle y plus AOB is 180. And we already reduced this, x plus y is 90. So in place of x plus y, we will write 90. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 90 means 90. So this is the answer. Value of angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. So at a glance, let us recapitulate. In a diagram, it is given LM parallel and these are the angle bisector. We need to find it, this AOB. So we use this parallel line rule. The lines are parallel, then angle sum is 180, co-interior opposite angles. So we suppose this xx 2x plus 2y 180, x plus y is 90. Then in the next segment, we use this triangle angle sum property. Angle is x plus y, AOB is equal to 180, and x plus y we replace here 90, so AOB is equal to 90 degree. In a given diagram, in triangle ABC, angles A, B, C are in the ratio of 2:3:4, and angle ACE is 90 degree. Then find the angle X. Now listen students, this angle ABC are in the ratio of 2:3:4. So let us suppose this is 2x, this is 3x and it is 4x. Using the angle sum property of triangle, the sum of the angle is 180. So the angles are 40, 60 and 80. We can write here 40, 60 and 80. Angles on the straight line. We need linear paroxysm. We are using here the linear paroxysm. Sum of the two angles, three angles on straight line is 180. So the required angle x is equal to 10 degree. This is the answer. In a given diagram, it is given rectangle and one of the diagonal extended outside. So it forms the angle 118 with this side. We have to find the angle x. First of all, with the help of linear paroxysm, we will find out this angle. Suppose this is 1. Angle 1 plus 118 is 180 linear paroxysm. The angle 1 is 62. Now listen student, we know the diagonals of rectangle bisect each other, means these two parts are equal. So this must also 62 degree. Now with the help of angle sum property of triangle, we will find out this angle. Suppose this angle is 2. So angle 2 is equal to 56 degree. Now again with the help of linear paroxysm, we will find out x. Same rule, we are using linear paroxysm. 124 degree. So this is the answer.